Hello everyone and welcome to this Data Plus tutorial. Today we're going to work again on our previous example, the Qlik app sales discovery. We started by adding the possibility to adjacent a comment to every sales position dot, and now we want to add a date picker to mark the day the comment was made. Therefore, we begin on the administrative site of the Data Plus table, and we create a new database column where our data will be stored. On the server, in the section Tables, we enter the table named Order_Commentary by clicking on its name. Then we click on the cogwheel on the top right corner and proceed with Edit. In the pop-up, we navigate to the Add Columns input and create a new column named Date. By clicking OK, the new column is created, and we can return to our Qlik worksheet. Here we need to reconnect to our table because it lost its connection when we were adding the new column. Inside the Data Plus table, we generate a new Data Plus column in the Data section of the Properties panel. The input type is Date field, and we save it to the previously created database column, Date. Now that everything is set up, we can pick today's date and save it directly afterwards by clicking on the floppy disk icon on the left side of the table. We also want to verify that our date is saved on the server side. And here is the saved date in the Unix milliseconds time format. Unfortunately, Unix time is not a valid time unit for Qlik, and we need to transform it manually. For this reason, we navigate to the Documentation section of the Data Plus server. There, we use the search option to look for the Date field column. After we found it, we copy the expression that is displayed in the documentation. This expression will transform the Unix timestamp to a human-readable time unit and takes any additional transformations into account that may result by the different time zones of the planet. We go to the Data Plus section of the Data Load Editor, and at first we modify the select statement so that the date field will be loaded from our Postgres database. Then we can insert our copied expression in the load statement. Now that everything is set up, we can click the Load button, reload all the data, and then enter to the Data Model Viewer. Here we can see that our transformed data was loaded into the data model and verify that our comments have a time reference now. Thank you for watching! If you don't want to miss any updates regarding the Data Plus suite, please subscribe to our channel.